Hi Spacers! Welcome back to my channel, and this week we're doing a 5-minute makeup tutorial for before work or when you're late. So first off, cover up. If you're not sure what kind it is, here's the name and the brand. If you can't find it, look on my other videos. So I'm just going in with that cover up all over. Doesn't really have to be anywhere specific. Make sure you get it all blended though, or else you're gonna have an orange face or whatever color your cover up looks. Okay, so blend it. Don't forget your neck. Okay, done. Next up is blush. You want to take a big brush like this, kind of fluffy and bendable and kind of firm is what this is. I'm going in with my Tarte blush. I'm just going right on my cheekbones, or apples of my cheeks. Okay, now that that is done, we're going to go on to highlighter. My favorite highlighter, Forever 21 Illuminator, whatever it's called. I'm going to grab a fan brush like this. Dip it in there. Shake the excess off. Go right in my cheek bone area. Okay. Alright, now that my cheeks are highlighted, right down my nose, right down the center. My Cupid's bow. Under your eyebrows. Okay, now after that, we're going to go on to mascara. And I've been using this Arbonne, it's a long story mascara. It's wicked good, makes your eyelashes grow while you're wearing it. And then just going to go in. Now bottom. Okay, and last but not least, lipstick. Today I'm doing the shade Kristen by Kylie Cosmetics, or Kylie Jenner. Okay. There you have it. 5-minute makeup tutorial. Who could argue? Honestly, this is better than half my looks that I take an hour on. Well, I'll see you guys next week. Please comment and let me know what you would like me to do for my next video, because I am running out of ideas here and I can't just keep looking up other YouTubers' ideas. Just kidding, but please do comment and let me know what you'd like me to do. It's always great for your feedback. And thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos, and have a great week. I'll see you next Monday.